It's like blinking, so.
Is it blinking red or green?
Red.
Oh, then it's recording.
Oh, okay, good.
Okay.
Keep going down that way. Oh, sorry about that, Benny.
That's okay, I think I'll live.
I think so too. Alright, you're gonna stand right behind Tia.
Blinking red, right, Mom?
Let me see. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yay!
So this is probably the smallest platform we got. We really gotta kind of stagger it.
Oh.
Okay.
Might want to watch your hand.
Come around this way, but you can stand right next to me.
Oh, don't worry, thing.
What does that mean? Aravind Mavila? Oh, that's nice. So you made your own sticker?
Yeah, I got it on Amazon.
Oh, really?
This guy who makes stickers like that.
Oh, cool.
Like, he ships them here. You just give him your name and...
So you just did that to distinguish your GoPro?
Yeah.
That is a GoPro,
dive
right?
flag.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a scuba diving flag.
So because you
Okay.
guys
It's just for
live in
scuba.
Seattle, you don't work
Okay,
for
cool.
Amazon, do you?
Microsoft.
Oh, Microsoft, yeah. Good for you guys.
Do you work?
Yeah,
What do you? Oh, you both work for?
Yeah.
Wow.
But you're not. Wait, are you co-workers?
No,
Well, we're on different teams.
we're different teams.
Okay. But you're girlfriend, boyfriend, married, what?
Married.
Okay. I wasn't sure. But once I found out you were both working for Microsoft, I was like, wait, is this a company thing?
You're just crushing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the company, yeah, you don't want to do team building here.
That would be pretty cool.
Yeah, that would be cool.
So did you both meet at Microsoft?
No.
Oh. So how did you both meet, may
We
I
grew up
ask?
in Middle East, so we both met in Dubai.
Oh, okay, cool.
Wow.
And so you just happened to run into each other, or?
We're sort of. Our families also know each other, so we got to meet. Yeah.
Very cool. So why both Microsoft? How did you both end up in Microsoft?
He was already working
I got a job out of college at Microsoft.
Okay.
And then she joined me from Dubai.
Okay.
She moved after we got married.
Okay.
And
And
she worked for like a bunch of other companies.
And I recently joined them.
Okay.
Started about 2 years ago.
So do you both work doing the same thing?
No, I'm in marketing.
Marketing.
I'm a software developer.
Oh, okay, cool.
You're from Indiana, right?
She's adopted from Indiana, as is he.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm into Purdue. I've lived in Indiana for 5 years.
No, our family, it goes, I was born in DC, then 5 years in Oregon.
my camera.
Yeah. All right, guys. Got it.
4 years in Oregon.
Oh, my bad. So yeah, 4 years in Oregon, he was born there. She was adopted while we were living there. Then we moved to Arizona, lived there 7 years, during which we adopted my other brother who's not with us today. Then we moved to Brazil for a year. Then moved to Pennsylvania for 3 years, during which we adopted that guy. And yeah, now we're living in Utah. It was when I was living. Okay, so I went back for 2 years, 19 to 21. But while I was living there, I was like 13, 14 at the time. I didn't really like it because, you know, not my language. It was a convenient excuse to avoid homework. But yeah, it was just different because I was used to living in the suburbs where I could like ride my bike anywhere. Now we were living in an apartment in the middle of the city. It was different.
But
You said you went
was,
back.
it was a great
Yes, I
experience
did.
to be
Did you
there
like it for the second time?
because
The second time, yes, I did. Second time I went back, I was serving a religious mission for 2 years,
Oh, okay.
talking about God and all
We
that.
never spoke English.
So it was a completely different experience. But yeah, it was a lot easier than living there as a little kid, because then, you know, I learned the language.
Yes.
It's kind of hard to
Like when I
compare.
went walking in the park with my dog, I would never, ever have worn like a t-shirt with American flag. But and it was that was a political time back then when Americans were very popular. But as far as our children speaking English, we would never have them speak English in public because so many people down there think all Americans are wealthy. So if they grab your kids and they can get
Is this bothering you?
so we never let our kids go out.
Is that a
like,
spider
riding
web?
bikes,
Yeah,
anything
probably.
physical without us.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. And so she was so active back then. She wanted to have rollerblades in this apartment building we lived in. And the guys below said, it sounds like
Oh my
a
gosh.
landing. And blah, blah, blah. So she could do that.
Yeah, that was one of the downsides.
And they tell Americans never buy a house or live in a house while you're there because even though it's a gated community, people can get over in their house. So we were always in an apartment building. And the Japanese consulate lived in our building and they even came over and took pictures of our building to make sure nobody could jump from one building to another.
So do you guys pretty safe?
Yeah, Dubai's super safe.
Oh yeah, probably one of the safest cities in the world, right?
It's very different from the rest of the Middle East. I mean, it feels like America.
It does.
I met
It's a tourist spot. They don't have like oil money or anything. It's just tourism. It's kind of like Singapore. And there's no taxes, so a lot of companies.
And Brazil is
a
pretty
British guy
still
that lived
scary.
there for 4 years.
It is.
No, yeah, no. I mean, I was agreeing with you. That was my
Yeah, it changes a lot. It's like big. It's like New York meets Vegas. That's it.
New York meets Vegas.
Imagine Vegas the size of New York, like Manhattan.
Oh yeah.
But it's all like flashy and fake.
It's very superficial.
It's crazy.
Is it expensive to live?
Oh yeah. I bet.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't
No,
it?
not really. It's food is really cheap.
Food is cheap.
Labor is really cheap.
Labor's cheap.
Like, I mean, you could hire somebody full time with your pocket money.
No way.
Also
People get
sort of the
paid.
downside of those who are doing the labor work. Not really treated really well.
Yeah.
There's racism.
That's why labor's very cheap.
This is so cool.
I mean, our parents work there. That's why we grew up there. But they've moved back to India. So they wanted to retire back in India.
So wait, where were you both born?
I was born in India as well.
Okay, so but when did you move to? But you when I asked you where you were from, you said Middle East. I've never really considered India Middle East.
No,
Oh
it's
well,
not.
because I consider Middle East, Bahrain and Dubai my home because I moved there when I was a baby.
Okay, see that was my follow-up question.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like pretty small when I moved as well. My
Okay,
parents also
your family moved to.
Yeah, to Bahrain and Dubai. We were kind of in the same country, same school. We didn't know each other. We just randomly just met.
You didn't happen to go to the same like high school or anything,
We
did
did.
you?
We
You
did.
did? Oh,
We did.
I think I've heard that story before.
High school?
We
Didn't know each other.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've heard that story before.
that's so great.
Oh.
Same year and everything? No, she's 2
1 year
years.
junior.
1 year.
Sorry about that.
So you think you'll stay in Seattle for a long
Ready, baby?
We might.
Baby.
Been there.
Oh wait, so you're both living in Seattle right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Isn't that now correct me if I'm wrong. I thought that was Microsoft headquarters.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, I am correct.
Yay!
Wait,
One,
where's HP headquarters?
He's on the east.
Or
Sorry if I'm getting ahead of myself.
What? No, you're good. What do you mean? You're just paying attention. There's nothing wrong with that.
My phone's ringing again. I can't quite answer it right now though. Huh? Probably Bowen.
It's going 40 miles to educate. Sorry, but leave a message.
Porter, you're gonna have your camera out for this one?
No, we're not.
yeah, I had a thought. I had a thought about my phone, and I thought.
Have people dropped them? Yeah. I bet they're mad. Yeah.
When I first tried this thing out,
Dropped their phones, so people would
But
drop their
it's like,
phones.
you should know what you're getting yourself into.
That's what I say. It's like, it's at your own risk. Like, I mean, it's not like it's illegal, but, you know, if you lose your phone, like you're not gonna find
It's
it.
on you.
And have they like insisted on trying to go back?
Yeah, I actually, the guides will actually like make an effort to go out and look for it for a few minutes, but.
I love how you put make an effort.
Yeah, well, because I mean, come on, look
spot.
at that. I know one guy that actually found his phone 2 days later, and he said it was just out of luck. He was like, he had to like rock climb down, and he was like.
Wow,
figuring himself
he was
out.
committed.
Yeah, he
Must have been a nice phone.
And then right by his hand when he was on the rock, he was like, oh, screw this, and he was like coming back up, and it was like right there on the rock.
Wow.
Like 2 days later. Yeah, I was like, that doesn't happen to people, but. This is it, man.
Yeah, this is sick.
Porter, are you gonna push off again?
No, don't go in. Don't go there.
Sorry, I wasn't
It's
going
okay.
to.
No, I know. But you're
What happened if he had gone?
They would just be
He
dangling.
would have been fine, but I don't know. It just, it sucks.
Someone would have gotten mad at me for not paying more attention.
Basically, more weight would have been like just on this for each other, and it would have just been off balance and not equal. I don't know what happens.
Porter, are you gonna
You're like, I don't really want to know.
Porter, are you going to push off this time?
Nah.
Okay, then I won't either. So long! Smile for the camera!
Almost lost you there. It's like that movie scene was like, oh no! That slow motion. Basketball going into the rim.
So is this your longest or not quite?
Next one's the longest.
Yeah, that's what I was asking.
Yeah, the last one's the longest. That one's almost
Sweet
half a mile.
pie. Oh,
Almost
wow.
half a mile. 2,397 feet. You look like an ant from up here or from
Last
down there.
suspended bridge. You are good to go. Shake that bridge as much as you want for him.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, he's kind of hard.
Oh, wait,
Go
you
for
missed
it.
one.
Oh,
But-
aw, Jess.
Right.
You done messed up.
So you asked me to shake this as much as I want?
Yeah, go for it. Just don't kill him.
Yeah! Ah! She told me to shake it.
Just go flat.
Okay, I'm going to stop recording. Porter?